Moto tips during rainy season to avoid accident bits. Stop at safe place and wear your raincoat immediately before rain starts. Keep a safe distance with other vehicles. When turning, make sure to use signal. Look at side mirror. Check if lane is clear and the key is slow turn. Overtake only when the lane is clear and you are familiar with the road. Always slow down when approaching flyover. Usually the water trap and increase in bateria. You might lose control and can have an accident for speeding over flooded area. Stay away from the side of any vehicle to avoid water splash. Never use the bus lane to overtake. Always keep a safe distance in front of your motorcycle to avoid any accident. Remember, it's better to be late than sorry. Your family is waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Ride safe!